Hey babe, so I have these braids on. I've done them just because I wanted to take some photos with Sky before I was gonna give him like a little trim, but we ended up with shaved hair. You need to follow my stories. Like, if you want all the daily updates when it comes to my life, you need to go on Instagram. So basically, I braided my hair and I braided his hair, and I didn't even manage to take one photo together, you guys, because as soon as we got home, he was like taking his braids off, making sure every move he made a sort of like friction into his braids because he didn't want them at all. He's been telling me for quite a while to get his hair cut. I was like, okay, like, let me braid your hair first so we can take like a mommy and son kind of photo together. It would be like a nice little keepsake to look back on, but that wasn't really possible. Expectations vs reality. So that happens, and now he ended up with shaved hair. But anyways, I'm gonna take my braids off. I'm just gonna take my earring first, just in case, because this can get wild. I mean, I have a lot of hair. These are really tight, you guys. Oh my god, oh my god. This will take a while though, because this one, for example, the first two braids are really tight. I can't wait to take it all off. I'm gonna look so weird. I need to take it off just because, I mean, it's comfortable, it's nice, but I feel that you need a certain style to pull off these braids. Like, it's not, you know, something, for example, in the morning when I take Sky to school, I just grab the first pieces of clothing that come into my hands, and I mean, with these braids, I feel funny if I don't really like plan the outfit, you know what I mean? You need a little bit of swag, you guys, a little bit of attitude when it comes to the fashion. So that's that. And today is Monday, and this Wednesday I'm gonna have some makeovers held at Lucy Makeup Store. So I want my sleek, long black hair. Okay, let me show my babes on Instagram how it's looking so far. Let us do like a little... Okay, you guys, so I'm filming the video for you. Here we are. Hi! And yeah, so this is the first braid taken out. Okay, so we're on to the second braid. The second braid is a little bit thicker, like the first one was much tighter. Okay, this would be nice in summer if you have really long and curly hair, and if you go to the beach a lot, for example, or you work out a lot. This would be nice because your hair is always in place, it always looks good, you know. But as much as I like them, like, they're really fun, I love to put my hair up in a bun. I love to put my hair up in a ponytail. They're very comfortable to sleep in though. Like, I was imagining that they would be much tighter, but they weren't. And we're on to the third braid. I'm gonna remove the sides once. This should look cool. For example, if I left this part and I just fold up this part like this, I'm gonna try that actually before I fully take them out. So far this is my hair with the top part still braided. So this is basically how the hair ends up looking after you take off your cornrows. I have a lot of hair and my hair is naturally has like a wavy side to it, so maybe if you have really straight hair it won't be like this. However, I really like it. It's so texturized, it's so nice, I love it, so cute. I might keep it like this, to be honest. I don't know, like I don't know when are you having this type of hair again. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.